Okay, we're in New Richmond today looking at wind damage on a house after high winds and tornadoes coming. Have a look here at a few things, and I noticed there are holes in this shingle with no nails in them. Spots of some kind of sealant there. So this one's been fixed before. Shingles above it, horizontal cracks where they've been ripped loose and bent up. They're no longer any good. Some of these have pulled all the way up, laid back down, so they have cracks in them, holes in them underneath, so they're no longer any good. Cracks all the way across again. Here's a slab missing shingle, some folded up there. Richmond saved them, and they'd be gone. Got some here that are folded pretty good. That one's tucked underneath, upside down. The nail patterns here are quite random. They seem to zigzag up and down every other nail, and they just put them wherever. They didn't use any kind of consistent pattern to them. Lots of shingles here with the horizontal cracks. I guess this roof here should be complete replacement. There's just too many scattered out here, missing, broken, and it goes all places that it doesn't look like it's too bad. Once you get up close to it, you'll see that there are many more that are cracked and ripped loose and still there. So it's to the benefit of the homeowner that they're still here. At least he didn't get water inside. We'll get this one closed up so he's waterproof until insurance gets here, and then we'll move off to the next one.